dealing with the insurance company, and I just can't imagine how TC has gotten through this one. You know, he had back surgery 8 years ago. He's been doing fine for a period of time. But last June, he had a car wreck, and once again, he has injured his back. The insurance calls it a pre-existing condition, but he says he was fine until the wreck. So can the insurance company deny the claim? And if they do deny the claim, do you feel that he still has a valid case?
Neil, that's a good question from TC. And TC, the insurance company can deny the claim, but that doesn't mean that it should deny the claim. And you need to consult a trial attorney, such as Hawk Law Group, to discuss it further. Obviously, if you have this condition and it's been exacerbated by this car wreck, you have a right to pursue compensation for those future medicals or current and future medicals. So just because you have a pre-existing condition doesn't mean that you can't seek legal recourse. And certainly it doesn't surprise me that the insurance company would deny the claim, but that doesn't mean that they are right in doing so.
Yeah, that's right. And you know, this is something that, you know, I was able to do in a case recently where we had a person that was already having a lot of neck and back problems. They had arthritic condition in their neck and in their lower back, and they had been seeing a doctor for 10 years for chronic pain in their lower back. And they had a course of actually getting injections in their back to relieve their symptoms. And after the accident, they went to the same doctor. They got injections in their back. The same, very, very similar treatment. They increased the dosage a little bit. But what we were able to show is that over the course of 10 years, this particular person went from 2 visits a year with 2 shots a year to getting about 15 visits a year and getting about 8 or 9 shots a year, with an increased amount of pain medication she was having to take, increased number of shots, worse prognosis. And so that person, the degeneration of their back and their spine and their quality of life was accelerated greatly by the car accident. And I mean, just like, you know, if you had a hole in your roof, it still wouldn't be okay for somebody to come up and just set fire to your house. Okay, you'd still be pretty upset about them burning down your house. And that's what happened to this lady. She already had an issue, and then this person came along and set fire to it. And you can recover for the increased damage, the exacerbation, and the acceleration of the pre-existing condition.